Now we are going to customize our theme. When we click on this three dots button here, you see we have options like rename, duplicate, download theme file, edit code, edit default theme content. Now click on customize to customize your theme. Theme has three main layouts, which are either main content area or template and footer. Within layout, we have sections. For example, the template layout, we have hero section, and within a section, we have blocks like edit, buttons. So for example, here we can edit it directly from here, and by the right, you have the render settings like label, links, style. You can see drop down here as well, fit, customize for the width. Now you can just right click here and edit code for that particular button. So it's going to be a button.liquid. Since we are directly going to edit the code, so it will take us directly to the file for that particular element. So button.liquid shows you all the settings related to that element. So you can see here in the interface, you notice we have text in the type text, and if you go back down below, you see we have link under the label. There you have it, so which is the ID. Then below it again, we have the checkbox. As you can see here, you can toggle it on to open a new tab. You can see below, these are all arranged in JSON. For the style class, you can see it here, it has options as well. So there you have it. Then we have others as well, like the size, the desktop width, mobile width, and the likes. Custom, you can see custom size here. So you should not touch this file except you know what you are doing, because these are all settings for a particular element. So the .liquid file is where you do where the settings are rendered for a particular element. Alright, so let's go check index.json. If you want to actually edit your home page, which is the index.json, you can do it here. For example, let's change this browser hour to browser D and save. So currently you can't see the timeline, you can't see the version, the history here, but once you save, you see it saved here. So let's check back. Now it's not updated in the interface yet. I believe we do need to refresh the page. Even if it's attempting to re-render, it's not going to update it for us here. So I suggest you use the Command R or Ctrl R to refresh, like so. Then once it's done refreshing, you see the updates. This is not how you do it, right? You edit directly in your editor, but I'm just showing you alternative approach. So you can see it's updated. Yeah, so that's customization for you. You can edit it here, you can change the style, you know, all these are in JSON. So you can see index.json. So the content in your page are in JSON. You can see product.json. All these gem GP are from gem pages. Don't worry about that, we'll talk about that later. So you want to see all the JSON, like collection JSON, contact JSON. So you can see here we have page product.json, we have password.json, we have collections.json as well, we have list collection JSON, and the likes. There are so many of them. So all your pages are in JSON, as you can see here. So that's just a unique language for liquid is just a unique language for Shopify itself. You can edit it from the editor here. You can see here, just select the element you want to edit, you know, and the settings will render by the right. Nice. So let's try and add a section in our header. Add section. It's custom liquid. If you want to add a custom liquid, you can add app here. So for a app you've installed, like our Playfly, you go to the app embed here, click here, then make sure it's toggled on to see it. Don't worry, we're going to install other third-party widgets, but it's just an example I'm showing you. But let's try and add a section in our header. click on add section, then go to sections, go click on the section tab here, then announcement bar, so you'll see that it's added up here, up our latest arrival. You can actually edit code. Right click, edit code if you want to. You can actually preview, save and the like. So let's click on the save here, then you can preview in desktop, laptop or mobile view. There you have it here. Very flexible. So you can edit your themes here. You can see the undo icon here, redo icon. So let's view live here. Click on these three dots here and go to view to view it live. Especially when you have widgets on your theme, it's best you view it live. Alright, so there you have it. Alright, so let's see other options. Edit code. So we are really going to be editing our code in the file. I'm just showing you this approach, the possibility of doing it here. Currently we can't see any timeline because we've not edited this file. So the file edited was like in the index.json. So if you go to index.json or you do command P or select it here, you see the versions here. You can undo, just like I was clicking on the undo button earlier. You can do it in your editor here. So you can just right click on a version and restore content. So you see by the right is the recent change, by the left is the previous change, previous code. So you can just right click and restore content if you want to. And there are times you need to edit your code. If you know coding, you can restore code. You can see now it has restored the code here. But I'll recommend that if you don't know much of coding, you go to the app support team to help you out. Yeah, so there you have it. So the JSON file is where you have your content on your page. So for the home page, we have index.json, like the product page, we have product.json, collection page, we have collection.json. So make sure you only edit the file if you know what you are doing. Else, go to the support team and their dev or tech team will help you out.